That QA1 kit, man. Just letting y'all know what comes with the kit. We bought the kit from Summit because they ain't have it in stock at QA1. So we had to call one of the distributors, which was Summit, to get everything. So it pretty much come with everything, all the nuts and bolts, all your bracket, and your adjustable for your height. Then you got your coilover. Those two still in the box. I was just showing y'all what it come with. How it come before we install it tomorrow. Yeah, these boys ain't playing, man. Yeah, I be thinking it's a game, but it ain't. Some good material though. Everything look real good. Don't look sloppy, man. They did their thing. It's my first time putting this on, so we're gonna see. I've been running BCs and in that Nissan world, and it's for an 85 Chevy, 89 Chevy. So alright, just going on the box Chevy, man. I'm gonna show it to y'all in a little bit, man. Bro got some stuff going on he don't want y'all to see. So it's over. So it's just one part of it. Y'all stay tuned, man. Check this box Chevy out. Make sure you subscribe, man. We're putting white smoke out though. Black line. Alright, man, we out.